you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. First things first, I got a new couch, y'all, and I love it so much. I'll insert some clips here of what my old couch used to look like. It was definitely time for an upgrade. The couch was creaking and cracking, the fabric was tearing, so I got this new couch off of Amazon. It was so easy to put together and I love it. It's so comfortable. I definitely think it makes a difference in this apartment now that I don't have to have my old couch slipcover. But yeah, I love this new couch and I think it's so cute. But today is gonna be another cozy day just like any other day on this channel. I have some cleaning to do today. I need to wash my sheets and do a couple loads of laundry, and I want to decorate the outside of my door because I got some cute things, y'all. And then lastly, I have a package coming in later that I'm so excited about. It's gonna be a good day, so go ahead and grab a nice drink. I'm drinking my chai. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face and get started for the day. So good. Y'all, is it just me or does it feel like this year just flew by? I'm really trying to like make the most of this fall season because this is my favorite time of the year. What have y'all been doing so far for fall? Because I feel like aside from like watching movies and playing like spooky games, I haven't done too much and it makes me really sad. I know that fall is still like, what, 2 more months? I feel like it goes by like so quickly. I just started playing The Quarry again. I am such a scaredy cat. Like, I get so scared so easily, but I think it's such a good game for like October, you know? What have y'all been playing? Because I would love some more game recommendations. I'm using this Milani blush today. It's so pretty on the skin. Okay, y'all, now that my makeup is done, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and we can head to HomeGoods. I think I'm gonna wear this skirt with this vest and then pair it with some ballet flats. I don't know if I should pick these or these. They're so cute. I got some goodies, but I realized that I haven't eaten today, so I'm gonna go into my favorite bakery and honestly probably get another chai, get something to eat. Okay, y'all, I'm back from shopping and I'll do a quick little haul of everything that I got. So let's start off with Ulta. I only got one thing, but it is the Juvia's Place lip gloss. This is about to be my new favorite lip gloss. I bet you when you're in the sun, it looks so good. And next up we have HomeGoods. And I picked up these glass bowls. These are so pretty. And then I picked up this apple cider candle. It smells so good. Some Drizzlicious. If you haven't tried these, definitely try them. They're so good. And then lastly, I got this mist for my room. It says Boo, and the scent is caramel apple. That's everything that I got in this haul. Like I said, it was a little haul, but I really love everything that I got. So I'm gonna change into some comfy clothes and switch over my laundry and start a little bit of cleaning. Okay, y'all, I've been cleaning for like an hour and a half, and it is definitely time for a break. So I just went down to my mailbox and my package came. I'm so excited to show you guys what's in it. It's gonna go on either side of this artwork back here. But first, I want to sweep outside of my door and decorate it. Turn wall lights to 10%. I love how these lights turned out. I think they're so cute. I'm very tired. That took a lot of measuring to make sure it was going to be in the same exact place. So I'm just gonna get takeout and relax, and yeah, we'll wind down for the night.